Hello students, in this video we will learn how to join a class in Microsoft Teams mobile app. For that, first of all we need to download the Teams app from Play Store. So let's start. First of all, open Play Store from your mobile. This window comes. Here we have to search for Microsoft Teams app by typing its name in the search bar. Like here we have typed Microsoft Teams. After typing its name, click on search. After clicking on search, this Microsoft Teams window comes. It is for the installation. So here we have to click on this install option. Now the installation process will get start in your mobile. Once it is completed, the Microsoft Teams will be downloaded on your mobile phone. Now open Teams. When you will open Teams, this will be the first screen which comes. Here you have to log in with your ID, the ID which is provided to you from the school. With the same ID you have to log in here. Like you have to enter your ID, for example student ID at klischool.com. Here you will enter your ID. This I have taken just for the example. So after entering your ID, what you have to do, you have to click on sign in button. So once clicked on sign in, it will ask you for the password. So here you have to enter the password. The password is also provided to you from the school along with your ID. So enter the same password which is provided to you and then click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, this will be the next screen. Here it is asking you for updating your password. Here you have to change your password. You have to reset your password. So what you have to do? First you have to enter your current password, the password which you have right now provided to you by the school. Then you have to create your new password. Enter your new password. Now while entering the password, remember few things. Your password should be of 8 characters and it must contain the capital letters, small letters, digits and some special symbols like @. After entering your new password, you have to re-enter that password just to confirm it. And remember that password should be remembered by you. After entering all these values, you have to click on sign in. After clicking on this, this will be the next screen. It means Microsoft Teams is letting you logging in. So please wait. Then this window will come. After this screen comes where we have to click on next. Next screen comes. Again click on next. In this screen click on got it. Now Teams has opened. This will be the first screen when the Teams has opened. Now at the bottom of the screen you can see you have different tabs and options like activity, Teams, calendar, etc. Now let us understand their use one by one. First we have the activity. In this activity, it shows all the notifications. What type of notifications? Any assignments or any post which will be sent to you by the school, by the class teacher, that notification will come here. After this activity, we have this Teams option. This Teams option, it shows your class group. Class group means the class in which you are. It shows your class group here, class team here. For example, you are in 7C, so it is showing you the 7C class with all the subjects mentioned. So your class will appear here with all the subjects. Now what you have to do next? You have to click on general. Once you click on general, this will be the next screen where all the posts will appear. What kind of post? Like if any class is scheduled, any file is sent to you, any document is sent to you with some instructions, so all the things will come here. Let's see here. For example, you have a scheduled class of computer chapter 4, and at the bottom you can see computer chapter 1 notes are sent to you and with some instructions that you have to learn this chapter. And when you will go to the files, see, this will be the next window. If we click on files, so if we select files, you can see the files which are sent to you, all the documents which are sent to you, they will appear here. You can see them separately. Next is calendar. It shows all your scheduled class. When you click on calendar, this screen comes, and this is very important because all your scheduled class will come here. You can see all the scheduled class are coming here date wise. Like on 2nd September we have no class, on 4th we have no class, but on 3rd September you can see you have 3 classes. Like computer chapter 4, topic is also mentioned, science and mathematics. So you have 3 classes on 3rd September. So you accordingly you have to check your timetable, as time is also mentioned here, and you have to join the class. So how to join a class? For joining the class, you have to click on join options. When you click on the join option, this window will appear. So what you have to do to join a class, you have to click on this join now button. So when you click on this join now button, this will be the next screen. Now your class has been started and you have joined the class as an attendee. So this is how we can join a class using Microsoft Teams mobile app. Thank you.